Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome to my little backyard paradise. Honestly, why fight for parking at the public park when we have the perfect garden picnic right here? I've already laid out the blanket right by the blooming rose bushes. The fairy lights are officially turned on, and I am ready to completely romanticize my afternoon. Look at this setup. I've got iced tea, a huge bowl of watermelon, and absolutely zero strangers staring at us. Plus, the house is literally 10 feet away, which means we have unlimited access to a real functioning bathroom and ice cold kitchen refills. Everything is set up and waiting for you guys, so just walk right through the side gate when you get here. Seriously, though, you need to hurry up because the garden vibes right now are absolutely immaculate. The sun is hitting the flower beds just right. There's a perfect little breeze keeping the bugs away, and I've already started that acoustic play